Hi students, how are you? Well, today in this class we are going to see the first lesson. The topic of the lesson is our environment. Our environment. Okay. So we have to see the picture. See the picture of earth. See the picture of tree. So we have to save the earth. We have to save. We are living in this earth. We have to save our earth. We have to save the trees. So our earth has different landforms and water bodies. Okay. Our earth has different landforms and water bodies like forest, plains, mountains, hills, desert, rivers and seas. Okay, I am repeated again. Our earth has different landforms. What are the landforms? What are the landforms? Yes, good. The landforms are forest. First one, forest. Next one, plains, mountains, hills, desert. And what are the water bodies? Yes, good. The water bodies are rivers and seas. Rivers and seas are the water bodies. Good. Okay. So here first one we are going to see about the forest. See the forest, see the picture of forest. It is looking nice to see, no? Everyone like to see the animals. See? So the forest contain more trees. See here everyone coming and explaining about the forest. Here the boy name is Daniel. Daniel is saying about the forest because that boy coming from the forest. So Daniel is explaining about the forest here. A forest has a large number of trees. See the picture? Forest contain large number of trees, no? So a forest contain large number of trees. The ground is covered with bushes and grass. Streams and ponds are also found in the forest. It is home to many animals. Many animals will live in the forest, no? Like elephant, tigers, deer, lions, bears and snake. Bear and snakes. Okay. So birds also will live in the forest. Birds like peacocks, doves, sparrows, parrots will live in the forest. Okay. So you can hear the different sounds of animals. I like the forest. It is cool and shady place. Who is saying about forest? Yes, good. Here Daniel is saying about the forest. Forest contain large number of trees that animals and birds will live. Okay. So forests are useful to us in many ways. We are getting from the forest. We are getting wood, honey, fruits, rubber and many other things. Okay. Next one. Next, Tarun. The boy name is Tarun. Here Tarun is explained about plain and hill. Okay. Tarun said, I come from a farming family. Farming means what? Agriculture. Okay. We live in the plains. A plain means what? It is a very flat and land area. Plain is a flat and land area. It is warmer. It is warmer than the hills. Plains are important for growing crops. Growing crops. So we are farms from where the farms getting water from the rain, rivers, lakes, ponds from the it only and wells only farms are getting the water. So we find many animals like cow, goat, bullock, buffalo and many kinds of birds there. I like to watch birds. So first we saw about the explain about that forest. First Daniel explain about the forest. Next plain about the plain and hill. Tarun explain. Okay, see the picture. See the farmland. See the farmland. Here they are cropping the field. So plain is a flat land area. Flat plain is a flat land area. Okay. Next one. Kamakshi is going to say about the hills. Hill. So hill. See the picture hill. Okay. First we studied about forest. Next one we studied about hill. Now we are seeing about hills. Okay. Hills like a mountain, but not so high. Mountain is in very height, no, but here hill is like a mountain but not so high. Hills are generally green. See that it's looking in greenish color, no. Hills are generally green and beautiful. It is also much cooler than the plains. People visit the hill station especially in summer season. So in summer season only people want to go to that cool place, no, like Ooty, Kodaikanal. So here Kamakshi explain about hill station, hills, about hills. See the picture, look at the picture. This hills look as if steps have been made on it. See so many steps from side, it is looking like steps, no. So crops are grown in the steps form. Crops are grown in the steps form, also called as terrace forms. Okay, the other name called terrace forms. Tea and coffee are grown on some hills. So people like to visit that hill station. Which time? Summer time. So Udagamandalam, the other name is Ooty. Ooty is called the queen of the hill station, and Kodaikanal is called the princess of the hill station in Tamil Nadu. So I think everyone watched the Ooty and Kodaikanal, I think so. So everyone like to go to watch that summer season. You want to go to that places and you want to enjoy that place, no. So our state animal, the Nilagiri tahr, is found in the Nilagiri mountains. Here you have to write what will come under plain, what will come under hill. Okay, next we are going to see about pond. See the picture of pond. Here Sulaiman is saying about the pond. See, in the pond you can see the fish, crab, crane, frog, turtle and rocks. You can find this place. So pond is a place where water collects. So pond is a place where water collects. Flowers like water lily and lotus are found in the pond. So lake is bigger than a pond. See the picture of pond. So a pond is a place where water collects. Next, see the picture of sea and river. So Sultana live where? Sultana live near a river. So I love to watch a river flowing. It starts a journey on a mountain, follows a path and finally flows into the sea. See here that a race is going on. So we use river water in many ways. Because of this, in olden days, people lived near rivers. Many kinds of fishes, crab, birds live in and around the river. Sometimes boat races also. See the boat race are held in the river, no? So everyone like to watch a boat race. At last we are seeing about next one. See, journey of a river. See the journey of a river. We get pearls from oysters. So next one, Gopal is saying about the sea. Okay, I belong to a family of fisher folk. We live near the sea. Sea means what? It will contain more water, no? So sea is a large water body. The sea water is salty. Sea water is salty. We get salt from the sea. Plants, fishes, turtles, prawns and crabs live in the sea. We go fishing in the sea using fishing boat called catamaran. Catamaran is kattumaram. Okay, fishing net. They will go for fishing for to catch a fish. So we go fishing in the sea using fishing boat called by using the catamaran means kattumaram. They used to catch fishes by using the fish net. Last, see the picture of desert. So in desert, camel only live. Which animal will live only? There live only camel, because no water is there, and only cactus only will grow in the sandy place. So we come from, who is saying Miwa, Ram and Kamala? We come from a desert area. A desert is a hot and sandy place. There are hills of sand called sand dunes. See the picture, sand dunes. We can see sand dunes in the desert. The cactus plants grows in the desert, since it needs very little water to live. Why that cactus only growing in the desert means it need only a little water to grow. So cactus only growing in the desert area. Camels are used for traveling in the desert. The camel is called the ship of the desert. So the camel is called ship of desert. So in this lesson we studied about the what are the water bodies, what are the landforms of earth. Okay, what are the landforms of earth? So in this lesson, first lesson, we studied about the forest. It contains more number of trees. There animals and birds live. Next we saw about that plains, hills. In hills you can see so many steps forms. Okay. So mountain, hill is like a mountain but not so high. See here, so many steps forms are there. Next one we saw about the pond. In pond you can see the fish, lotus, crab, crane, like that. Next we saw about the river and sea. The boat race also held. See the sea that by using that we go fishing in the sea using fishing boat called catamarans, fishing net. Class we studied about that the desert. So the desert only cactus only will grow. Camel one and the animal camel is called the ship of the desert. So that's all for this lesson. We read. Okay. So I think everyone understood this lesson. Our environment. So we have to save our earth. Because we are living in this environment, no. So we have to save our earth. That's all. Thank you.